So today we're going to be looking at what equipment do you need when you become a beginner guitarist. Okay, it sounds kind of obvious, but there's actually quite a few things that you need, and we're going to look at the makes and models, things that are really good. Okay, so first of all you need a guitar. Right, so the amount of people that come to me for lessons here in my shed who say, do I need a guitar? Of course you need a guitar. You can't just borrow your guitar teacher's guitar, you need to have your own guitar. And I would recommend getting one of these, a Yamaha Acoustic. Very nice. The models range, but Yamaha make great guitars. And also you can get a really good one for about £100. Don't spend any more than £100. Why? Because you're not ready, okay? Obviously you can go out, you can spend a fortune, £600–700 on a really lovely Martin or Taylor, but ultimately you need to be able to play, and to do that you just need a basic well-made guitar. £100 is the limit, I reckon. You can buy something like this from Argos or Amazon. There's a link to it on my blog where I would recommend. So once you got your guitar, what else do you need before you come for your first guitar lesson, or before you start your online guitar lessons with Easy Peasy Guitar? So you might need one of these. This is a capo. Okay, capos come in all different shapes and sizes, but this is a really good one that you can clip onto the end of your guitar like that. So when you're playing, when you're performing live on stage, you can rock and you can just pop it on there and just play wherever you want. And they're really handy, nice and quick. Just pop them on, snap them off. So a capo, you can get this online for about 15 quid. Again, you can get it in the shops between 15 and 20 quid, and they're really good makes. So what else will you need? Well, you'll need one of these, a pick. Now, if you're like me, I play at 60 gigs a year, and I lose probably one or two of these a gig. It's expensive. So very kindly my dad got me this, which is a pick punch, which is brilliant. So you take your old Costa card or your old card from Mothercare or Love Film, and you pop it in there and out comes a pick, which is brilliant. Saved me a fortune. So get one of those as well if you're going to be playing a lot. If not, get some online from Amazon. You can pick up picks anywhere really. So what else do you need? Well, you need a tuner. You can buy a guitar tuner in the shop. It'll probably cost you about 20 quid for a good one. Or, like me, again, I lost maybe 4 of these last year. So now I just have a tuner on my mobile phone. Can you see that? This is a really good one called Clear Tune, which is handy. So get yourself a tuner on your phone, and then don't lose your phone. So what else do you need? Well, once you've got your guitar, you need a guitar case, which again you can get that as part of the package. But if you want to play regularly, I would recommend taking it out of the case, pop it in your room, and get yourself a stand. This is a really good one. So if you've got a guitar stand in your room and your guitar out of the case, you'll just play it much more often, because you don't need to take it out of the case. Okay, so there's a few guitar essentials for the beginner. Go out, get yourself what you need, and get going.